Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the runtime and files are ready. Install. Net, extract Openbullet 2 and run it with elevated writes. Once done, prepare the essentials: a small test combo, a proxy list, and 1 or 2 word lists so you can iterate quickly. Next, create a named workspace and import any saved configs or templates. Make sure to enable developer or advanced mode, if needed, so you can see request traces and variable outputs, while you configure the first request chain. You now construct the middle of the process by adding HTTP request blocks in sequence and assigning each a clear name. For each request, set method, headers, endpoint, and required body fields, then map incoming payloads to variables like username and password. Once responses arrive, add parsers or regex nodes to extract tokens and status codes to use later. Also configure retries, sensible timeouts, proxy groups, and concurrency limits so you don't overwhelm targets or burn proxies. Test each step with a single combo. You finish by running a small, controlled job and watching the real-time logs and parsed variables to confirm hits. Once confident, scale up, increase threads gradually, rotate proxy groups, and enable CAPTCHA solving or challenge handlers where necessary. Export successful hits and close logs for post-processing. If something breaks, first inspect request traces and response bodies to verify headers and payloads, then confirm proxy connectivity and timing settings. That single troubleshooting check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.